Seeing the two of you together makes it easy to understand that this is not just love. It's partnership, friendship, respect, and home.
And he became a man, bro, you feel me? Like, and we here today. We changed. I'm proud of you, bro.
I had so many plans junior year of high school that did not look like this. Who would have thought that the guy I was passing homework notes to every day because he always managed to forget that we had homework, or the guy that I spent 2 years cheering his name as he scored points with his free throws, or the guy who lived on my same street growing up and I had no idea would end up being my soulmate.
I lost faith, you gave me something I could see. You've been hurt, so you stand for loyalty. Girl, you never change.
Keesha, I ain't gonna lie, you've been great this whole time. Honestly, you've been a great girlfriend and spouse to Jeremy, and whatever is going on, you look at the positive aspect of the situation. I thank you for being here for my brother, because he needed somebody like you.
You to have to learn, rather watch us crash and burn. At least it's just us two at the end. It ain't easy to stay, but I'll lose it all before you walk away.
From the first day we met, up with each other, we've been with each other ever since. Day by day, I fall more and more in love with you. We always joke about how I said I loved you first.
Till death do us part. Till death do us part.
They all told me this won't last.
You're gonna have your little ups and downs. And when you have your little ups and downs, a little kissy. You understand? A little huggy. Because you have to be friends first. And that's what I like about them. They were friends for a long time before they got married. And you have to have that bonding with anyone that you're going to spend the rest of your life with.
Even though we could throw it all away, still find reasons to stay. They don't know about all the times you put me first.
Today is a celebration of friendship that became love, a celebration of love that became family, and a celebration of marriage that has already been quietly flourishing behind the scenes. As captain of the basketball team and captain of the cheerleading team, they spent their high school years building a friendship neither of them knew would one day become something much greater.
Till death do us part. Till death do us part. Till death do us part.
Open the door. Tell me what you see. 'Cause I see a place.
Being a wife isn't just about loving someone when things are easy. It's about creating space for someone, supporting them through difficult seasons, encouraging them when they're struggling, telling them the truth when they need to hear it, and choosing them over and over again.
It feels like home.
He who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord. But you know the one that I'm always hollering to you about, Ephesians 5:25-28, which encourages husbands to love their wives as Christ loved the church, emphasizing selflessness, care, and sacrifice. There's nothing more selfless, more caring, or more sacrificial than when you chose to turn away from the ways of the world, not only to live in God's purpose, but to truly love me deeper. And for that reason, I choose you again and again, every second, every minute of every day for the rest of my life.
It feels like home.
You are such a beautiful person inside and out, the best soul I've ever met. I feel so honored to be able to stand in front of our family and friends and take your hand in marriage. No matter what ups and downs I went through in life, you was always there. There's no other woman I could think of ever marrying.
Jeremy, with this ring, I'll continue to choose you with God at the center for all my days.
Open the door.
Real love doesn't just bring you closer to a person, it brings you closer to your purpose. Closer to peace, closer to the Creator. That kind of love creates a home, that kind of love builds a legacy, and that kind of love changes generations.
Hey, Keesha and Jeremy, and I'm just so grateful that I was able to witness this covenant and union that you guys built.
I said I see some ladies in here tonight I might marry. Going off the Belgian throne is too scary, baby. You can have whatever you like. The tooth fairy, I do anything to leave it a night. What you share? I said I do. You know I do. I said I do. You know I do. I said I do. You know I do. I said I do. Yeah.
Nothing's more attractive than a heavy praying woman. To the him and those in them endeavor taking on men. Poet since the heaven and him when him hungry on men. Baby, out here, save it on bill. Crazy, I tell you all of this in the middle of a club where words tend to get thrown around lightly like love and friend and rock star and so's a genius. So him bow to never utter him do unless him mean it. Her proud like her mother and mom is sweet, so you just know that juicy fruit ain't gonna fall too far.
I never thought we would be here today sharing our life together. You are my home, my answered prayer, and the love of my life. I thank God every day that I am lucky that He gave me you. I will love you until my last days of our life and after.
Make the whole club swoon. She'll love books and cook and look just like you. And when she's done being young, she'll dress like you. She'll love books and cook and look just like you. And when she's done being young, she'll dress like you. We'll call her Love 22. She'll total 22. The lazy version.
I just want to end this by saying thank you. Our time on this earth is very limited, but the memories we've created, the love that we share, and the life we have will always live on forever. I stand here today, God is my witness, promising to honor you until the end of time. You are my king, and I am your rib, and together we are united as one. I love you.